Stop scrolling right now. Take 1 second and breathe. If you are watching this, it means something inside your heart is searching for change. That quiet urge. That hidden battle. That pressure you feel when no one is around. Listen carefully. You are not weak for feeling it. You are human. And today can become the day you decide to control it, instead of letting it control you. 3 powerful minutes can reset your mindset and give you back your power. Lust starts small. A random thought. A photo. A short video. A memory. It enters quietly and grows fast if you feed it attention. Your eyes see it. Your mind stores it. Your emotions react to it. If you react without thinking, the cycle repeats again and again. But here is the truth. The moment you notice the trigger, you already have power. Turn away fast. Close the tab. Remove the source. Shift your focus immediately. Action in the first few seconds decides the outcome. You cannot rely on willpower alone. Willpower fades when temptation stays around you every single day. You need strong protection around your habits. Sleep on time. Block harmful content. Delete apps that pull you back. Change your environment. Keep your phone away when you feel weak. Surround yourself with people who remind you of your goals and values. When you control your surroundings, you protect your mind. Understand something clearly. Your desires are natural. Feeling attraction is normal. Acting on it in harmful ways creates regret and pain. The goal is not to destroy desire. The goal is to control it. Every time you resist, your confidence grows. Every time you choose discipline, your self-respect rises. Small resistance today builds strong character tomorrow. Speak to yourself with power. Stand up if you can. Say clearly, I am stronger than this urge. I respect my future. I respect my faith. I choose control over impulse. Say it with belief. Words influence your actions. When temptation whispers, answer it with strong inner talk and quick movement away from danger. Remember this deeply. You are never alone in your struggle. Your Creator sees your silent fight. That awareness should give you hope and strength. You can fall and return again. You can make mistakes and still come back stronger. Sincerity opens doors that guilt cannot open. Ask for help. Ask for forgiveness. Then move forward without staying trapped in shame. Fill your time with purpose, because empty time invites temptation. Learn new skills. Exercise your body. Read books. Work on goals. Improve your income. Build something meaningful. When your day has structure and action, your mind stays focused. A busy life with purpose protects you from destructive habits. Change does not happen in one big moment. It happens in daily choices. One clean day, then another clean day, then another. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. If you fall, stand up fast. Do not stay down. Failure is not falling. Failure is refusing to rise again. Right now, make one decision. Block one trigger. Remove one distraction. Replace one bad habit with a positive action. Start immediately, not tomorrow. Your future self will thank you for the courage you show today. You have control. You have choice. You have strength inside you. You can defeat lust step by step. If this message touched your heart, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more reminders that protect your mind, heart, and faith. Your victory starts now.